this is awesome, right? I'm in jail doing something that should not be possible, but it is. So this is a trip for me. So thank you.
All my actions unforgetful, all my crimes beyond forgiveness. Have I lost my place with you? Or the silence all I get? Merciful, well, forgive my sins again. I don't wanna feel lost today.
I realize there's so much human intolerance in our country, in the world in general, but one of the biggest problems we have in America is this intolerance for each other's differences. So what this project means to me is coming together with the fellas. We got a gentleman on our group of musicians. He's an African-American brother. He's almost 60 years old. He's lived a very hard life. His name's Kevin Woodley.
Oh, here we go. I just love it. Children dying, mama's crying, daddy's lying on the floor. Someday it's gonna stop. Someday, and I'm really looking forward to embracing people, of different races. Embracing. When I say embracing, I don't mean just reaching out my hand and shaking it. I'm talking about holding you. You understand what I mean? Mm-hmm. And smiling and laughing and having a good time and not thinking that this person is less than me.
Right.
I'm looking forward to that. I don't know if I'm gonna live long enough to see that. But I do think that we have the ability to, and the heart to actually do it.
Thank you for the opportunity to let us share our culture, our pain with you guys. What we go through in here.
To live my life with integrity, I needed to live within my values, and one of the values that I'd come up with was equality.
I've been breathing in all this stuff, but I've had no place to exhale it in. Where do you go? Where do you go with your pain? Where do you go with your brokenness? So the next broken man can't understand that.